This is Arini from Edge Matters, and today I'm doing a video on how I use my clickable digital scrapbook. My digital scrapbook is something that I created just a few days ago, and I have already listed it on my website under digital shop. So I will link that down below for those of you who are interested to buy it out. But this video is going to be kind of like a walkthrough of my scrapbook. And scrapbooks are a great place to curate memories such as our travel memory or anything you want to create an extra special memory. So once you download the scrapbook and save it in your iCloud storage or Dropbox, next click the Files app on your iPad and you can find the downloaded file there. Then click on the scrapbook, select this squared shape with arrow button. Then I'm just going to open this up into GoodNotes app. And so I'm just to begin. This is what my scrapbook looks like in like the template panel of GoodNotes. So I'm going to click on my scrapbook here, and so when you open my scrapbook, this is usually the front page that you will see, and it looks really nice and unique, and it looks extremely realistic, which I love. And then swipe right to go to next page. This is the cover page, and you can keep any photo in the middle. So to do that, I'm gonna select the pen tool option on the top right corner, then click this image icon, and down there you may see options called insert from. Click that, then insert your photo. So I'm gonna go ahead to open the photos folder from iCloud where I saved my Europe travel photos. I like this one here. Just click on it and adjust to the center. If you click that sidebar with the blue arrow, which allows you to adjust the photo size. But before I move on to my next page in GoodNotes, make sure to unselect the pen tool so that clickable links works and you are able to utilize the links that are embedded in the document. Otherwise, it don't work. Then down here to open my scrapbook, I have this clickable heart and star shape down here in the bottom right hand corner. So opening up my scrapbook, I have already kind of done a few things here and there with this. So things that will come with my scrapbook, I have included almost 210 memory book stickers and wonderful golden frames, and I have also included 15 different templates and also 15 custom page templates that you can use in my scrapbook, and I will show you I will show that to you in a bit. And if you click this heart shape, that takes you to the custom page library. So these are just a blank slate where you can add your own title. Like for instance, I will add holidays and graduation day. So if you click on the title, it will take you to that corresponding page. Then write the title you want here. I go with holidays. Then swipe to go to next page. Here you can insert say your own picture frames or templates, or just duplicate this page as many you want. To do that, click on this thumbnail view on the left corner. Then select the page you want to duplicate. Then click on that small arrow down. Then click duplicate. As you see, you one more blank page created next to it. So you can do the same way to any of the template here. You can duplicate it as per your requirement. And to go back to the cover page, you can click this binder ring button here, or you can click the heart shape button to go back to custom page. So I have some 15 custom pages for you to put your own templates or picture frames when you scrapbooking, your own washi tape and your own stickers, and then click the star to access the template library. I have these 15 templates with the clickable links. Just click on the center, that takes you to the respective template pages like this. and you can use this ready-made templates. So I have this cute picture frame template for you to insert your photos, and I left enough negative space where you could also insert your own sticker here, so your own washi tape or whatever to kind of decorate this up even more. I thought this is really unique. I got all these frames PNGs. I want to say, so these are really nice, and they are pretty cool. And then going back, I have my Polaroid picture template. I think this is really cute and handy too. I want to say I also got these PNG and I kind of edited them and allowed them to be more transparent, so they will fit on this page. And then lastly, I have this photo collage template, and this is kind of the basic, like what you would see pretty much any online digital scrapbooking. So these 15 clickable tabs to kind of organize your memories as well. Travel scrapbook help you to write and document about the experience you had during your trips. So currently I just have my Europe holiday trip, and then I also have a space for you to add your own photo on the cover page. And so I actually have this all typed up in my handwritten scribble font, which you can also purchase as well. And then down here I have just have the basic plain photo frame in the first three template. Then I have like a page that is just blank. I have this lined page, and rest are the colored pages. When you click, it takes you to that page like this. So just to see one of these is an example. So I have opened up this colored page, and you can see my work. So you can utilize them for journaling or scrapbooking, whatever you see fit. So going back into template library, so going into my second tab of my scrapbook, which is this photo frame template, I have already created my own memory album, and this is actually from the last Europe trip. So pretty much all of these we can do with this scrapbooking. Now I want to show you guys the sticker collection to decorate the scrapbook. You'll be able to download it for free when you purchase this scrapbook. You will get a zipped file with these 20 to 10 transparent individual PNGs and GoodNotes file version. Once you download the stickers and save it in your photo gallery on your iPad. Next, I'm just gonna use this blank template to show you guys how it works. Select the pen tool option, click image. First, bring your photo, then click on the element option, go to the plus icon, click on that. To create the scrapbook sticker collection, just mention scrapbook, then click on add photos. Select the sticker file which you want. I will use this frame template, then click create. So now I created my scrapbook sticker collection. Just to show you, again click on element, select the scrapbook sticker. So now you can access these stickers anytime you want while you journaling. Then click crop, select rectangle tool to crop and adjust it. So that's how you can decorate or you can upload individual PNG stickers. And I think that's pretty much it. So just going in, so all of these are from last Europe trip. I have kind of decorated, I have done all these different frames, I have done cute little sticker, washi tape to fill up some of these blank space here. I did like little button stickers, which is really fun, and how much you can do it in your digital scrapbook. So I used mine as an example. So then going into the second page I have created, because I have only created these uh, 3 pages. These are all pictures from my Europe trip. So again, so a few of these stickers right here I created with this book. You can purchase via the link down below in the description. And I want to say you can download some cool font from thefont.com, and I really love all the different resources online that I can use to create my scrapbook. And so I was able to really utilize a lot of free resources to put this together. And so I just pulled in my pictures from my iCloud, and I was able to insert them and decorate them as I see fit. so then you can have these other pages that I have yet to do. And obviously you can insert pages in between the tabs. So that's just a brief overview of the scrapbook that I created. I know it was kind of a well thought out thing that just wasn't out there. So I decided that I was going to take on the task of creating one myself, and I'm really proud with how it turned out. So if you're interested in purchasing my scrapbook, I will have it linked down below. When I'm really excited to like dive deep into my personal scrapbook and create these cute little digital templates and portraits to display my pictures, because I think it's a really unique way. I consider myself a perfectionist, so it's really hard whenever I mess up in real life, because it's not as easy. Just the undo button, I really love that undo button, let me tell you. So I plan on doing more videos in the future related to digital planning and digital scrapbooking. I plan on releasing tutorials on how you can create this yourself, as well as maybe even a good notes tutorial and all that you can do with digital scrapbooking. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I see you next time.